Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will show you that how you can change your Facebook page name. So first of all you have to click on Facebook, then on the top right corner you have to click on your profile image. So now you have to switch to your page. So you can click on this arrow option on the top right, and let's suppose that I want to change the name of this page, Voice of My Heart. So I will click on this one, and now again you have to click on your profile image on the top right, and then you have to click on this settings gear option on the top right, and then you have to click on page settings, then click on this option name. Now from here you can change your Facebook page name, but you have to keep in mind that you can't be able to change the name again for the next 7 days. So let's suppose I want to change the name from Voice of My Heart to Simple Voice. Then you have to click on this review change. Now it will take 3 days to actually change the name of your page, and then you just have to enter your Facebook account password and you have to click on save changes. So guys, if you find this video useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will meet you in the next video.